Hey, what's up? Hope you're all doing well today. I'm just getting ready. By the way, this hairspray is I have a dentist appointment in like 15 minutes, so I think they're doing the just checkup and teeth cleaning, which I'm a fan of. And then I have to go to the coffee shop to finish some designs, some things for collection 2 for Good Soul Supply. I want to say thanks for the comments in the last video. It was great to hear perspective on moving out to a new city. A lot of you left some really good advice, and that's kind of where I've been, where I'm thinking to myself, should I, plant roots here and then travel more and just do a bunch of traveling, or should I, move somewhere else and then explore that? So I think I'm just gonna continue meditating on that and just really trying to follow my intuition. Breathe it out. So that's that. I am so excited for fall season. I just had to put that out there. I'm ready. Another 2 miles. Look how drenched. Look at that. My hair, what the fuck? I was never really a runner or hated running. I hated running, but I kind of really enjoy it now. I am doing like a couple of miles a week, but my coach is gonna start scaling that down because it's not really good to do cardio that much. But, and today is a refeed day, so I'm excited, very excited about that. I wanted to film the shoulder routine today, but it got very busy, and I don't really like filming in crowded places like this. Sometimes you never know who doesn't like to be in the background. All right, so I am cooking I cooked food. I'm going to share with you my supplements. I mentioned it in the last video. I look like a mess, I know. I just came back from the gym. This might sound like a lot, but I will say this has helped with recovery, and these are the supplements that my coach put me on. Some of these I was already taking beforehand, or before that. This is the acai berry green tea flavor. This is a natural supplement. This has a really good taste to it, honestly. Maybe I'm weird like that, but out of all of the green powdery superfood drinks that I've tried throughout the years, this has to be the better tasting one. In my opinion, this is my 3rd tub of these, so I just ordered one on Amazon. I only drink this when I work out, which is 5 times a week. This is amazing for energy levels, for endurance. It has chlorophyll, a lot of amazing benefits. And it's only 25 bucks, I believe, maybe less on Amazon, which I think is a great deal. Some of these are about like 40 bucks, other brands, but this is really great. Berberine, this is a natural supplement, one every single morning. This helps with weight management. It helps the immune system, immune function supports gastrointestinal health, supports cardiovascular health on an empty stomach. One every single morning. And then I also take a multivitamin, although I ran out a month ago and I haven't ordered one, but I ordered one about 2 days ago on Amazon to replace. And I also take vitamin D, so one of these a day in the morning. Sometimes I forget, but yeah. And then I also take these natural testosterone pills, Testostorone Optimizer. It helps boost natural testosterone levels. helps body manage estrogen and DHT, supports muscle growth. This has a lot of great reviews on Amazon when I was, looking this up, because again, my coach recommended this. And then for my pre-workout, I like this Alani New pre-workout. This is the blueberry one. This is, again, like my third tub of this pre-workout. I like it. It doesn't give me any tingles, but let me know what is your favorite pre-workout, because I always like to try different pre-workouts. Usually I'll, stick with one for like a couple months and then I'll switch. But this one's what's working for me right now. And then I take creatine, about 2 teaspoons of this a day. I like this brand because it's like the pure form of, the creatine or the supplement. So I take 2 of these a day, 2 teaspoons, and then amino acids, 1 teaspoon. I add these to the pre-workout drink, and I also add glutamine. This is great for muscle recovery. I just realized I'm not really sharing the benefits of all of these, but I'm sure you guys know, or you can look it up, but creatine is great for muscle growth. Amino acids is essential when you're working out. Again, when I work out, I take a teaspoon in my pre-workout and then a teaspoon at night before bed. And then for nighttime supplements, I take holy basil. I really like this. These are adaptogens. This helps manage stress levels, adapt to negative effects of stress. So it helps maintain normal cortisol levels and maintain normal blood sugar levels. And then I also take one of these every night alongside the holy basil, which is a neurotransmitter. Just like dopamine helps, elevate your mood, it gives you a high, a natural high. GABA is the neurotransmitter that helps your body and your mind especially relax. This is great for, even for people that have anxiety, for people that have like a lot of stress. This just helps your mind relax. Hence why this is great every single night. And I'm not sure if it's a combination of these two that I'm drinking at night or just the fact that I'm more tired because of the workouts, but knock on wood, I have been having really good sleep like every single night. All right, I'm gonna go eat because I am starving. Back from the dealership. I think it's important to be kind. Sometimes people do make mistakes. Long story short, about a week and a half ago, I went to the dealership to take my car in to get it serviced. The oil change, it got 2 new tires, tire rotation. About 2 days ago, I was driving my car and I noticed that my check engine light went off and basically my car was heating up, which I thought was very strange, and it was happening very quickly, like it was rising up. So I pulled over really quick and I opened the hood of my car and smoke was coming out of the coolant. Turns out the coolant cap was off. It was not even loose, it was like off to the side. So it must have been that when they serviced my car that day, they left it open. I don't know much about cars, but I know the basics, and I know that that's not a good sign. My car could have gotten the engine. So I went to the dealership this morning, and I spoke to the manager, and I was very, just how I am, I was very matter of fact, like, this happened, I just want to get it checked. And he was very apologetic. He was like, I'm so sorry, I'm very embarrassed. And he was very kind, and like, I know it's the bare minimum that they could have done, but he, comped me free air filter change next time, free oil change next time, something else that he added. He's like, well, he wrote it down, he added it there to my notes. He's like, you're getting that all free next time. Yeah, he was just very, very nice. And I understand that people are human beings, and like, I'm not above anybody. I could have easily gone in there and been mean about it or been like rude or, this isn't acceptable, blah, 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 and try to get something out of it. But my genuine intention was like, I just want to tell you this, this happened, I want to get it checked, and that's basically it. It happens, and yeah, I feel like I got extra perks from that.
But I mean, again, it was their fault, you know.